Cook the chicken like this and the result is amazing. For this recipe, we're going to need 6 chicken thighs. Season these thighs with 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Season them on both sides. Tell me which chicken recipe you like to make the most. I would love to know them. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then add the chicken thighs. Now slice 1 onion. We're going to fry the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Jane Welch from Alberta, Canada. I'm happy that you are enjoying our recipes. Place the chicken in a pan and add the onions and stir occasionally until the onions are soft, 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the chicken on top of the onion. Then add 320 milliliters of beer and let it cook for about 30 minutes. While it's cooking, let's cook 6 to 7 potatoes. Cut them in half and then in slices. And put them into a pot with 4 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of salt and let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the lid from the chicken pan and let it cook for another 15 minutes. After cooking the potatoes and draining the water, add half tablespoon of butter, 6 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and half teaspoon of salt, then mash the potatoes. Finally chop some chives, which are optional, and add them to the mashed potatoes and the chicken. And our recipe is ready! It's a perfect and delicious combination. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.